How to create metrobank account online account. So first thing first, open any browser according to your preference and on the web page for type in metrobank. Then this result section will appear where you can see multiple links. For first of all, you need to click on this first link that says metrobank. So open it. Then you'll get access to this login page or the official site of metrobank, where you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. Here you need to accept the cookies. So click on I accept and click on login button at the top right corner. Then after that you have to select the account type, whether you want to create an personal account or business account. So for now let's click on this personal, and you have to wait for a captcha. Then after that you need to block the notification if you wish to, or let's cross this first of all. And on the section you need to enter username or password if you already have an account on metrobank, but for now let's click on sign up button. And here you need to enter all the details here: your username, password, re-enter the password, first name, middle name, last name, nickname, account number, account alias, your country code, phone number, and the email address. And you need to accept the privacy policy and agree to the terms of use. So once you have entered all the details, the next step you need to enter is your passport. Then you need to go through the confirmation process, and once the verification process has been done, your all these steps will be completed and you can easily create account on metrobank online account.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.